already the AutoCAD application. So for our drawing is we need to draw a simple diamond ring, but in your case you can show your creativity and originality on how to make the jewelry. So this is the first step is you will type UN. You will type UN. We will set the units to centimeters because the standard ring finger is 32 mm or 3.2 centimeters. Then OK. We will go to the front view. Okay, we already set the workspace. And then don't forget to set also the layer. So for the layer is we will be making the ring. Next is we'll be making the base of the diamond and the support of the diamond ring. Okay, so close. I will be creating here a circle. So a circle, this is the circle. So the circle is 3.2. I will be creating here a rectangle. Please, how come you're creating a rectangle? Because this is the metal that will surround our ring. So our rectangle is, I will just estimate 0.4 by 0.7 and then 0.4, then 0.7. Okay, so we will be using the 3DO command. We will use the sweep command for this. Enter and surround it to our ring. So this is already the ring. Okay. Then we will go to the realistic. This is now the realistic of our ring. Later on, we will be putting a radius, so all the edges. So now is we will be making the start of the support, the base and the diamond gem. So I will go to the top view. Okay. Go to wireframe. So I change it to wireframe because we can measure easily the metal. So for the metal distance is this one. So 0.7. I will be putting a line as a point of reference. Line inside the ring and outside the ring. Actually, this line is simply my guideline. So 3DO. So our ring now, the metal ring, we will be placing this one inside the layer because this will just merely add up to the chaos of those lines. So I will be putting this one to the ring layer and you will be closing it. At the top view, we already have the point of reference based on the ring's thickness. Okay, I will be putting a circle here. Okay, this circle is merely the representation of your diamond ring. So we'll assume that 1.0 is the estimated to be the diameter, but that is not yet the end. Okay, from here, going there, then we will be going to the front side. This line is, you will rotate this one to 45 degrees. Okay, so this is now the holder of the diamond. Later on, I will undergo sweeping for this diamond. I will be creating a circle. Okay, this is the circle 0.05, 0.05. So I just want to remind everybody that if you will be estimating a dimension, it should be divisible by 5. Then we will undergo sweep. After the sweeping command, we will proceed for the polar array. So this is now the array. Here, this is the polar array, and try to choose around 4. So 4 or 6. 6. Okay. So I find 6. Okay. So we already have now the base of our diamond. Okay. So now is we will be placing the support under the support layer. I will hide the support layer because we will be creating the stone. I will go to the top view, and here I'll be creating a 0.1 diameter. Second is another circle which is bigger than the first one. So this diameter. Actually, we can adjust this one later on, 0.3. Okay. Another circle is bigger. It's 0.8. Okay. I will open the support because support is merely the basis of our diamond size. So from here, we'll move it up. Then the second circle, we will also be moving it up, and then the third circle, we will also be moving it up. I will go to front elevation. Use the wireframe. We cannot see clearly if we will not be using the wireframe. I will delete the biggest circle. Front. Okay. So our recent biggest circle now will be present, or we will place this one at the highest portion of the support. Okay, this one. don't forget that you will be turning on your F8 so that your drawing will still be with the same X and Y place. From here, the middle, then going up. So estimate that the representation of our diamond will always touch the metal. Then the last circle that we are making, we will be placing that one also, not the most bottom, but it will also reach the metal portion of the support. So from here, okay, estimated, actually we have a size here, 0.17, so we will be making it to 0.18. Okay. So we will rotate now the diamond. Okay. I will place it to realistic. I have 3 circles, the small, the middle, and the big circle. So do you know what, you know already all the commands that I am using, but you are not just aware that this command really can make something different also. So I will be using the loft command. So I will be clicking the first, the second circle, and then proceed to the third circle. Double enter. 3DO. This is already our diamond, but we will be transforming this later on by using the mesh command. So I will try to edit the circle. Click the triangle facing downward and go to draft angle. Then click this one. You can adjust this. You can adjust the diamond. So 100. We will be adjusting it to 103, I think. 100. How about 110? Okay. So 3DO. Next is we will be clicking this one and go to mesh. We will be creating a mesh. So this is the smooth object. Okay. Create the mesh. So enter. This is already your gem or the stone of your diamond.